In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini AI to create a logo in under a minute for your delivery business, just like an expert. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Google is our starting point because it's the most straightforward way to reach the Google Gemini AI platform. Once you are on the Google homepage, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will direct you to a list of search results where you'll find the Google Gemini website. Next, click on the link that takes you directly to the Google Gemini website. Make sure you're clicking on the official Google site to ensure the best experience and security. Once the site loads, look for the option that says Create Image and click on it. This option is represented by a banana icon, which is quite eye-catching and easy to spot. Clicking on it will bring up an interface designed for crafting images using AI capabilities. Now, let's focus on crafting a compelling prompt. This is a crucial step because the prompt you write will directly influence the design of your logo. Think about the elements you want your logo to convey: style, theme, and impact. For a delivery business, we want a logo that's both sharp and minimalist, yet strong enough to stand out. Imagine a 3D logo for Metro Move. It should feature a bold geometric delivery box fused with a subtle location pin or arrow. This represents action and movement, which are key components of any delivery business. Consider using a clean, flat background with strong contrast and a limited color palette. This ensures the design is both app and print ready, offering versatility across different platforms. Once you've crafted your prompt, it's time to see the magic happen. Click on the Submit button. This triggers Google Gemini's advanced AI to process your input and create a logo that mirrors your specifications. It's a quick process, taking just seconds to generate a high-quality design that captures your vision. This tool streamlines the logo creation process, making it efficient and accessible. As your new logo pops up on the screen, take a moment to appreciate the fusion of technology and creativity. Google Gemini AI allows you to experiment with different design elements quickly and efficiently. If the first logo doesn't quite match your expectations, you can refine your prompt and try again. Making adjustments is part of the creative process, and Google Gemini AI makes it incredibly easy to iterate and improve. And there you have it, a brand new, expertly crafted logo for your delivery business, created in under a minute with Google Gemini AI. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to create professional designs without needing extensive graphic design skills. Give it a try and let your creativity flow as you explore the possibilities it offers.